Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video, I'm gonna unbox and review my Flipkart SmartBuy electric egg boiler or egg cooker. I'm gonna give a full review and demo like how it works and all. Firstly, I bought this from Flipkart and I got this for 339 rupees. I bought this on Big Billion Sale. And here goes my product. Guys, you can see in the box itself, it seems as it's a China product. Just a tag of Flipkart SmartBuy sticker has been pasted. It's not in Flipkart SmartBuy one. It's like a China products and just a sticker is being pasted, and you'll get a different design. A top cover one you can see with different design. And I ordered a pink color, but it got as yellow one. And guys, here goes my product, and you'll get a 3 months warranty for this from Flipkart, and instruction has been given, and a small sheet where it is written as it is always comes with multi or assorted color. Matlab, you will not get a same color which is assured by Flipkart. You'll get a different color one. They will not assure a particular color. So I got as yellow one. Let me open this. Guys, let me tell its feature. It's a 7 egg boiler. Like, you'll get a mold of 7, but you can boil from 1 to 7. And the boiling time, it might take 10 to 15 minutes. And here also you can see that just a sticker of Flipkart SmartBuy. It's not an particular product of Flipkart SmartBuy, but it's just a China product where the Flipkart SmartBuy tag is pasted. And you'll get a small measuring cup, and here also it's been written in Chinese. And here you'll get a steel kind, a non-stick coating, and it's a non-removable. And guys, here it's an automatical switch off, and here the power requirement is, or power consumption is 350 watt, and it will be weighing about 0.2 kg, and it is made up of plastic, and the steel material which is of non-stick coating is stainless steel. And here the width cross height cross depth is 16 cross 16 cross 16, and you can see that mold one that is not up to the mark, and even the quality is not good. And even the egg, guys, here the egg cooker is too small, and even the mold size is also, it's not up to the mark. And even the main thing is the wire is too small. And another thing is the top layer will be not fitted properly to the egg cooker. And here you can see it's given as art mart, which is written in Chinese language. And let me test this. Guys, for testing purpose, I just taken a 1 egg, and you can see a measuring cup where there is a needle kind thing at end where you can make a hole using with this. If you are comfortable with this, you can make an hole with this, or you can use needle. I will not do any hole. I just want to check it out like that, because you can make it or you may not, because if you make it, you will not face any kind of breaking problem and all. Just I'll take a measuring cup, and I'll fill a water like full, 1 cup full, and I'll fill it to my egg cooker, and I'll keep my 1 egg, and I close this lid, and let me switch on the main switch, and thereby my cooker switch. After 10 to 15 minutes of boiling, it will be automatically switched off, or you can switch it off however you want. Let me off this and let me check out. Guys, you can see here the egg has been broke, and I didn't make any hole, but still it is being broke, but the egg is boiled properly. And this is how it works. Quality of the product is poor, but the end result is too good. But I didn't like this product, so I returned it. If you guys want to buy this product, I share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. Thank you.